Now say here in this question here, a message signal of frequency 10 kilohertz, you know, we can write nu m is equal to 10 kilohertz. Now, and peak voltage, that is V is equal to, here we can give here, that is a 10 volt. Now, then we can write here, that we can write this is as a AM and used to modulate a carrier wave of frequency 1 megahertz. That is nu C can be written 1 megahertz is equal to 1000 kilohertz and AC can be written 20 volts. Now, we have to calculate modulation index. So, we know mu is equal to AM upon AC, that is 10 upon 20 is equal to 0.5. Modulation index has no unit. Now, we have to calculate our upper side band and lower side band. So, now see upper side band can be written here, that is nu C plus nu M. So, that means 1000 kilohertz plus 10 kilohertz. So, that can be here 1000 to 10 kilohertz. Now, similarly, we can get here the lower side band, and lower side band we will be getting, that is nu C minus nu M. So, it is your 1000 kilohertz is minus 10 kilohertz. So, that should be here 990 kilohertz. So, this is the lower side band and upper side band. So, this is the simple equation based on the mu and the frequency spectrum.